So as you guys know, one of my accounts was recently disabled. A lot of you guys have been requesting on me making a video on how I got it back within 12 hours. I never really wanted to make this video. If you're watching this, I feel bad for you, son. But anyways, this is the best way to get your account back, and it's the fastest way. I've probably gotten my account recovered probably over 5 or 6 times. This is definitely one of like the worst feelings when it comes to running an Instagram account. When your account gets deleted, you know, you put so much time and effort, and don't worry, have no fear, we're here to solve that. And if you thought I was gonna miss today's upload, you thought wrong, man. So this whole like process of getting your account back is just really confusing. From the start to the end, it's very confusing. Instagram and Facebook does not give you a lot of information and just doesn't really help you out with getting your account back. So at the time of me recording this is currently like June 5th or 6th, 2020. And if you're watching this in the future, I'm sorry if this doesn't apply to you, but this is just how you recover accounts at this moment in time. So when it comes to recovering your account on Instagram, there's never really a guarantee that you'll get it back. My account was deleted 3 times. I recovered it 3 times. And on the 4th time, it was deleted. I don't want to say permanently because I still feel like there's a chance that I can get it back. Just from submitting these forms, I don't think I have a chance of getting it back. I've probably filled it out every single day for the past 8 months. I know there is another way to get the account back if you lose all hope. I know that if you are friends with an Instagram employee, pretty much none of you guys are, but if somehow you can get in contact with an Instagram plug or an employee, or even just know someone, even just like a big influencer like Logan Paul, he would have contact with someone that works at Instagram, so you could hit them up and try to get your account back. Obviously, this isn't something that any of us can do, but I mean, if you really want your account back, that's just one of the options. And just from being on Instagram for 5 or 6 years, I have seen accounts that have literally, like my friend can literally make a phone call and get his account back within an hour, and that's just crazy to have the power like that, you know what I mean? I mean, can like 2020 get any crazier, man? You have to like get all quarantine, all these riots are going on, and like just recently Ebola's starting to come back. Like, what is going on, dude? Like, and now you need a plug for Instagram? Like, nah, just kidding, guys. But honestly, let's get into the video. Smash like if you guys found any useful information in this. Let's not waste any more time. So basically, when your account gets disabled, you basically get logged out of your account. You don't really get a message. When you try to log back in, you'll get something with like a pop-up. It'll be like, your account has been disabled for violating these terms. It'll say like learn more or okay. If you hit learn more, it'll take you to the TOS page. It's kind of useless. There's no real like recovery link on that page. So it's like, even if you Google how to recover an account, a lot of the forums just say that you can't. However, there's like a lot of people link one link, but I found 5, and they're all different links. They're all different links, but they all pretty much ask you the same thing. So what I recommend doing is just filling out all 5, because I've watched like tons and tons of other videos on how to recover your account, and they all share the same one link. If you fill out 5 of these forms, it's way better chance of getting your account back than filling out 1. So with these Instagram links, they're all going to be in the description below. There's not really much to say, honestly. It's just asking like 5 questions, like your name. It's basically asking for your contact information, why you were deleted and why you think you shouldn't be deleted, and then fill out you're from USA or something like that. And that's basically all you have to do. You should get an email like this, and it's going to be asking for your name, your username, and the code, whatever the code is, and you just write it on a piece of paper. Take a photo with a selfie, you know, make it look good for Zuckerberg. I mean, whoever's going to check the accounts, give them a nice smile, man. Try to make up their day. Your account just got deleted, but hey, maybe if you make them smile, you get your account back, man. Nah, I don't know. But like, I mean, anything you can do to like try to get your account back or like raise the odds, it's like, why not? Because this is some bullshit, man. If someone can just make a phone call and get their account back, and we gotta go through all this, that really sucks. So any little thing that you can do to increase your chances, definitely do that. So obviously this isn't the answer that you probably wanted to hear. I am sharing how I got my account back within 12 hours. I mean, it all depends. Honestly, it's usually case by case, because there's tons of reasons why you can get deleted. If you get too many strikes on Instagram very quickly, that's usually one of the times where it'll take like Instagram 3 months to recover your account, or you just probably won't get it back ever. But I've also heard cases where people have been trying every single day, filling out these forms, all 5 of them, 2 times a day for the past 8 months, and on the 8th month they got it back. It makes no sense to me. Like, people can get it back overnight, people can take 8 months. It really just depends on how bad you want the account back. Like, if you're willing to fill out this form every day, then chances are you'll probably get it back. So when filling out this form, just be careful, because if you fill it out too many times, Instagram or Facebook will block your IP, and you won't be able to fill out this form anymore. You can use a VPN, that's kind of annoying though, but hey man, if you want to fill it out more times, then go for it. After you send this code with your name on it and a selfie, usually Facebook will either reply with the reasoning why you're banned and you won't get your account back, or sometimes they just literally won't even reply. Sometimes they'll just restore your account and you won't even know. Like, you'll have to log in for you to figure out your account's back, which is kind of weird. And then sometimes they'll just say, sorry, we made a mistake, your account is now accessible. So really it depends. It's really case by case, but this is the best chance of getting your account back. I'm sorry, there's no like, oh, you fill out this form and you're guaranteed to get it back tomorrow. There's no way. There's really no guarantee that you're going to get your account back. A lot of people guarantee that you're going to get your account back, but there's just no guarantee. The only time I think you can guarantee it is if you have a plug. And even when you have a plug, it depends on the case too. It's like if you were live streaming and said like the N-word, for example, obviously that's kind of pushing it. But if you did that, who's gonna want to restore your account? You know what I mean? But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, found anything helpful, if you guys got your account back, leave a comment. Make sure you guys leave a comment on what you guys want to see me posting. Anyways, it's been your boy Matty Bo. Peace the out.
Bathing ape, duffel full of drugs. People thinking I'm the plug. No, this product not for sale. All this shit is getting done.